Welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to cut out parts of a video on CapCut. It's so easy. The key is you have to separate or you have to split the part that you don't want from the video. Okay, now let's try. First, prepare your video. Look for the part that you want to remove. Remember, you have to split it into a separate part. So in my video, this part feels too long and I want to just jump into the part where the train is visible. Okay, right over there, I'm going to go back a little. Alright. Okay, I'm going to use my pointer here for you to see. Alright, you have to click on the video first over here. And then make sure the time is correct. You just have to click on split over here. And then click on the first part. Click on delete. Alright, now you can preview to make sure the part has been removed. And if it has, then you're done. You can continue editing or finish and export the project. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in other tutorial videos from this channel. And if you find this tutorial helpful, remember to like, leave a comment, and subscribe to this channel. See you guys.